Hey, hi friends, welcome to our channel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you. Hi friends, today we are watching the modern wardrobe designs for our bedrooms because wardrobes are essential pieces of bedroom furniture that come close to your bed. Choosing one it's not as easy as walking into a store or picking an idea of buying the vegetables. There are the several multiple factors to note before you choose the wardrobe for your bedroom. What it requires is a carefully thought out style and structures based on your requirements and lifestyle. So before you select the design, you first consider the design of your wardrobe. So in this video we have shown the multiple wardrobe designs so that you can get the idea to choose the wardrobe for your bedroom. First you choose the right dimensions of wardrobes. The right wardrobe size will offer you the best storage possibilities in your wardrobe. First measure up the space in your rooms before deciding on the types of wardrobe you want. While ceiling to floor wardrobes are the best pick, they come with their own set of cones. A place for everything in your wardrobe. Before choosing the wardrobe, it is essential to understand your storage requirement. So for instance, if you own a lot of formal wear like heavy dresses like jackets, saris, etc., ensure you have several compartments to hang them. Similarly, both those with plenty of accessories. A wardrobe with multiple drawers is the best pick to organize all of you. Also, it is important to choose a wardrobe with overhead storage as a part of your wardrobe to make optimum use of space. Choose among the types of wardrobes that blend in with the existing style of your bedroom interiors. This includes colors, finishes, wardrobe material, and details on your wardrobe door. If your bedroom has ornate furniture, a wardrobe with an embellished door will blend well. For a clean look, choose a trendy door style. Why stick to the same old cabinet style door for your wardrobe when you can swing and slide? Pick a swing type or a sliding doors according to your taste and space. Sliding doors with smooth dual tracks adds a statement to overall aesthetics of your bedroom. It also helps save on space and give your wardrobe a seamless and elegant look. On the outside, another design for your bedroom wardrobe is push to open doors. They are highly contemporary and easy to use. Getting a new bedroom wardrobe does not mean burning a hole in your pocket. There are the several options to choose from you in the market that suits your budget. Just remember these important factors before you decide on your bedroom wardrobe so you pick the best that suits your needs for the most. So friends, in this video we have shown the modern wardrobe designs. So if you like our video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you.